Imagine having real-time weather data, such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall, accessible from anywhere. Welcome to the world of IoT-based weather monitoring systems. Hi, I'm Raj. Today, we'll explore how to build a weather monitoring system using IoT, inspired by a detailed guide from Vayuyaan. Traditional weather stations can be bulky and limited in scope. With IoT, we can create compact, efficient systems that provide accurate, real-time data, crucial for sectors like agriculture, aviation, and disaster management. Here's what you'll need: microcontroller, e.g., Arduino Uno or NodeMCU, temperature and humidity sensor, like DHT11 rain sensor, light sensor, LDR, Wi-Fi module, LCD display, optional. Jumper wires and breadboard sensors collect environmental data and send it to the microcontroller. The microcontroller processes this data and transmits it via Wi-Fi to a cloud platform like Blynk or ThinkSpeak. Users can then monitor real-time weather conditions remotely. Such systems offer real-time data collection, high accuracy, wide coverage, predictive analytics. To begin, assemble your components and connect them as per the schematic. Program your microcontroller using the Arduino IDE, ensuring it reads sensor data and sends it to your chosen cloud platform. Customize alerts and dashboards to suit your needs. Building an IoT-based weather monitoring system is both educational and practical. For a step-by-step guide, check out the Vayuyaan blog linked below.